I bought this on paper yarn online, and I'm going to show you or add the link of the unboxing of this on paper yarns that I bought online. And if you would like to buy one, I will add all of these infos in the description box. So it says here it's knitting and crochet yarns, and it's made of 100% paper, and it's categorized as bulky, and the recommended size is 8 to 10 millimeter for both knitting needles and crochet hook. But I'm gonna use a smaller hook, and you will see why I will switch on to the smaller hook later on. This is what it looks like after I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows or 9 rounds. And then from here on, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna work 1 single crochet into every stitch around until we get to the height that we want for this bag. So always add a stitch marker so that you know where to start the next round. And it's easier for you to count the number of rows that you need in order to get the height. So from here on, we will just simply be working 1 single crochet into every stitch. Alright, so I'm already halfway done with my project, and I think I might need to add a few more rows for this one. And let's see what it's going to look like after adding a few rounds. Alright, so this is how it looks like once you have attached the strap. So I chained 90, and then on the starting from the second chain from hook, I worked a single crochet, and you can work on the back chain to achieve this look so that both edges are looking the same. And then I attach it here. Also, I bought this one online, and you can find a lot of these kind of earrings online. And then I made tassels of 3 shades of pink. The way to close it is you just insert this loop into this loop here, and then add this keyring. So this is really great when you're going to the beach. So it's a beach bag, and that's it. Or you can do it, you don't have to unfold it that way if you don't want to, and you can just use it like this. So you can do it 2 ways, like that. Or if you don't want that kind of style, you can just do this way. And then to secure the opening of this one, you can insert the strap through this biggest ring, and then that's it.